This file extension has two primary types. Is this a real player media file or a Red Hat package manager file? If you are on Linux, it's an installer. If you are on Windows, it's likely media. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify. Quick sidebar. For future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering RPM files with corrupted internal metadata. An RPM file is a package file used by Red Hat-based Linux distributions. It contains compiled software and metadata necessary for installation, removal, and verification. RPM packages simplify software distribution and management, ensuring consistency and dependency resolution across systems. They are a cornerstone of Red Hat's ecosystem. RPM files adhere to a specific binary format, containing a header, archive of files, and metadata. The header includes information about the package name, version, architecture, dependencies, and installation scripts. The archive typically uses gzip or gz compression. Package integrity is ensured through digital signatures. For full compatibility with RPM, use the proprietary RPM developed by Red Hat. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows may display limited details for compressed files, so full access requires proper extraction tools. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your RPM file and select Open With. Check for RPM first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If you cannot access the RPM file, no problem. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these three essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, use RPM utility. If on a Linux system, use the RPM command line utility to install the package, sudo rpm, ifilename.rpm. Next, use Archive Extractor. Since the file is an archive, use 7-zip to open the RPM file and manually extract the contents. Finally, check dependencies. If installation fails, check for missing dependency packages required by the RPM file. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. FileMagick is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.